Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 4 of making this fire pit from scratch. A breakdown, removable, where you could break it down. We've drawn the sides, we've drawn the latches, and now we've drawn the bottom. And you need to put holes in the bottom, but I think it's more important to do this first. Remember, we had a little slop factor. So we want to change our nudge distance to 0.02. Let's select our leg. And what we want the space between here and the space between here almost the same. And that's why I left our joints a little loose or slop, and I just realized I need one of these tabs. So I'm going to nudge this guy out of the way 30 inches. And I need to break this apart. Go up to arrange, group, and ungroup. Now I could have very easily drawn another one, but I want to make sure I get the exact one. Now go back and group this together, Control G, and now let's put it back to where we were. So you just want your distance to be kind of the same, and it really is. So we're going to go with that. As long as your bottom would fit inside your sides, because this is longer, and by the time you get to that joint, that's longer, about the same distance. So this is what's fun. We're going to take our tab and we're going to rotate it 90 degrees, get it level. Let's zoom in here, and let's put our tab. This is the bottom part, so we want our tab equal in that part, and we hit it dead on the first time. And remember, our distance was 10 inches from the center, so if we put our nudge distance back to 10 inches, we can Control D and duplicate that, and there is our 2 slots. But we don't need them there. We need them where we want them. So I'm just going to move the bottom out of the way. There's my 2 slots. They're still in the exact spot I need. Let's take and group them together, Control G, and let's just bring them down. And I think that's pretty good. You are done. That's how easy it is. Now, I might make another video on how to put holes in the bottom and how to decorate the sides. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.